Brian Johnson, owner of Innovative Tools. Today I want to show you our single-sided bumper rack. What's unique about this, we have our patented quick release bracket, high carbon steel. Anyway, you can move these up and down in seconds. So if you had a bumper with a really long end on it, you can just drop this down and put a cover right below it without the two bumper covers touching. It also holds 4 large covers. It's all powder coat finish, lifetime warranty. It also has total lock caster wheels, so just touch your toe and it locks the wheels so it's not moving around. What really makes our bumper rack unique is its ability to nest. So like say, it's got the quick release and these little hooks right there. You can nest all your arms in just seconds, because sometimes you're in the shop, you have more bumper covers than you know what to do with. Other times you slow up, you don't need all these bumper racks. So you can just nest the arms, slide it into your other rack that's not in use, and save on floor space. That's the Innovative 4-sided bumper rack.